Pitch battles e thoma ka go senola tema yeo Britain e kgathilwego ka Cecil John Rhodes go thega apartheid le go gatelela batho baso.
What we've tried to do in the book is show how the systemic nature of racism evolved in South Africa and naturally in South African sport. So it's important for us that we deal with those issues. Hopefully after pitch battles, no one can say they didn't know, and the kind of denialism that we still see in confronting the past in South Africa, hopefully this will help people to understand the kind of realities that need to be acknowledged before we can really move on in a unified way.
Le ge mo batho baso ba be ba gateletswe ba bangwe ba gonne go fitlhelela gole ka dipapadi.
Despite the restrictions, despite the systemic exclusions and the 300 apartheid laws that control your movement, where you stayed, where you were born, where you died, where you went to school, which hospital you could go to, they persisted in their love for sport.
Nepo ka puku ye ke go lemoga diphoso tša kua morago le go leka go boelanya setšhaba.